How to create a search bar in Excel like this. Let me show you from scratch how you can create a search bar in Excel. First, you need to go to Developers tab. From there, go to Insert, select this option, create a bar, go to Properties. From here, you need to link the cell to B4. Now you can increase the size of it. Click on Design Mode. Now you need to enter the filter function. So we'll select the cell, start with is equal to filter. Then we'll select the array, comma. We'll give left. Then we'll select our text, comma. We'll give len. Then we'll select the reference point for the search bar, B4, double bracket is equal to B4 again. If there is no match, it will show no title. Quote close, bracket close, enter. Now here we have got all the data. Now you can click on the search bar. You can search for anything you want. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.